Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use GPS on your Garmin Venu 2. To begin, simply select an outdoor activity like running or cycling from your watch's activity list. Your Venu 2 will automatically start searching for a satellite signal. Look for the green GPS indicator to confirm a strong connection, usually within 30 seconds to 1 minute in an open area. This ensures accurate tracking for your workout. To get the most accurate GPS data, it's crucial to regularly sync your Venu 2 with the Garmin Connect application. This updates the satellite orbit data, known as EPO, which significantly speeds up signal acquisition. Also, ensure your watch's software is always up to date. When starting an activity, try to be in an open space, away from tall structures or heavy foliage, for optimal signal reception and quicker lock-on. Your Garmin Venu 2 offers different GPS settings to suit your needs. Within an activity profile, you can access the GPS mode options. The GPS-only setting provides standard accuracy and conserves battery life. For enhanced precision, especially in challenging environments, consider selecting GPS plus GLONASS or GPS plus Galileo. These modes utilize additional satellite systems, offering more robust tracking, though they might consume slightly more power. If you encounter issues with your Venu 2's GPS, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try a soft reset by holding the top right button for about 15 seconds until the watch powers off and restarts. Ensure your paired smartphone's location services are active, as this can sometimes assist. Finally, move to a different open outdoor area and attempt to start an activity again. Often, a change of scenery helps acquire a signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.